Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have an HCL which is hiring for the job role that is analyst. So quickly we shall see what is the test pattern for HCL and what is the basic requirements to take the test. So we shall quickly see the test pattern for the HCL. So the test pattern is that total there will be 90 questions and which needs to be answered in 90 minutes. So the 90 questions, it will be from various sections. The first section, it includes a finance and the stocks. Basically there will be 25 questions from finance and stocks, and the remaining questions will be from non-verbal part, like you can expect the questions from quantitative aptitude. Then you may have questions from verbal. So verbal, which includes the basic questions from verbal, like it can be, you can expect the question like find the meaning for the word, synonyms, and arrange the sentences, find the errors in the sentence, as well as you can also expect the questions like identify the correctly spelled words. And next part is it includes a reasoning questions, and lastly you can expect the questions from data interpretation. So this will be the various sections in which the questions will be divided, and you need to answer it in 90 minutes. So these are the basic requirements to take the test. You need to have an working webcam, so that too it should be working webcam which is working. And next thing is that you need to have an headset with a microphone. So do take the test in through the laptop. And next thing is mobile headphones, they are not advised. So you need to have an headset with a microphone, so do not use the mobile headphones to take the test. And next thing is that you need to have a stable internet connection. So these are the basic requirements to take the test. So you can in the description box I will be providing the link to apply for the HCL. You can click on the link and apply for the HCL. So it will be a single page where you will be entering your qualification details, and once you click on apply, so once you submit the details successfully, you will get an email immediately for the registered. So through which email you have registered, you will get successfully. So you will get an email to take the test. So the test link will be provided within few minutes. So once you prepare, you can take the test within 2 to 3 days. So this is all about the HCL. You can apply for it and prepare on the same and take the test. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.